Let me tell you a secret. Whenever I looked for a topic and I want to write about it, I'm really excited and I start my own website on it. Sometimes what happens is that is basically an initial excitement where you want to get started with something. And at the end, that blog is always dead. That is what my mistake was. So whenever you are going to start with your own blog or your own blogging website, you need to ask yourself one question. Will I be able to write 50 articles on this blog? Will I be able to write 1 year afterwards? If you ask yourself this question, there are chances it will help you a lot to get started with your own website. The second question you need to ask yourself is, will people read about it? There are a lot of times where I used to write hundreds of articles and there was no one to read about. The third question you need to ask yourself is, will I be able to make money out of it? So before you get started with your own website or your blog, you need to ask yourself these questions.